Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. If you remember, a few videos ago we had a problem with the Waxima LED light. The left one, only one part worked, but now it's completely burnt. Though Waxima came in a pinch and sent me a replacement light for replacement bulbs under warranty. So now we're gonna go and install those. There we go. There is Slate. This is what we got to address next. This actuator on the door is broken. There we go. There we go. We got inside, but that's not pleasant. So this is the next thing we gotta address: the actuator on this door. So here is what I'm talking about. This service, we can take care of that, but where's the message? It's supposed to say that one of the bulb is burned, but it doesn't. So there is another thing that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get along with the day, because the daylight is already going down and we're gonna lose it very, very soon. Wow, this new lens is amazing. Look at how it shows the sky. It's nice. We're also going to a very undisclosed location. Boom, there it is. The left low beam is out, and this is where the Waxima, whatever it is, replacement lights come into play. Well, we'll look at this later on, but look at the sky. Look at the sky. So pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Also, if you're looking for bridges and tunnels, New York City is the best place to be. Look at the bridge over there. This is the Tri-Borough Bridge. Let me see if I can zoom you in. There it is. This new lens is fantastic, by the way. Ooh, we are turning into an undisclosed location where I present to you now. This right here on the left hand side would be the new Cargo's garage. Yes, that's right, we now have a garage. Hopefully I can unlock it. I just got it, so I'm super excited. Ta-da! And this right here is the light. Hopefully it has enough light for me to work on Slate. But here is what I was talking about. There we go. The red light is off. So because Waxima sent us the replacement, I'm gonna put the car in and for first time, and then we're gonna replace it. I did have to maneuver a lot to get the car inside, but I got it in, and there is a good amount of space around for me to work on it. So without further ado, well, shall I take it out and face it outward? I think that's a better idea. Oh, I did not think that through. Okay. I definitely didn't just think this through. Damn, I didn't anticipate how tight this garage is. Maybe I can just ask the owner that I'm renting it from to take these shelves off, so I have a lot more space. But for now, the car is in, and we have very little space on both sides for me to operate. But we don't need space on the sides today because we're taking care of the headlight, and I got sweaty just from going around the car. There we go. So I'm gonna prompt you right here, and I'll get to it. There it is, the walk cement lights. Oh, look at that engine bay. Look at this. So sweet. It's very nice. So what we're doing, we're replacing this headlight today, and I removed this, as you see in my previous videos on how to install them. So I'll just do that in a time lapse. Very simple. I just took this one out. I'm gonna use the same fitting as this one to put on the other one, and let's open it up. Ooh, that's nice of them. They actually sent 2 replacement bulbs, so if any of the other ones, if the other one breaks, I have something to replace it with. Okay, I remember now, these are not quite plug and play, but yeah, I put the bracket that I modified in the installation video. If you want that, I'll link it up this or that direction, so I'll take a look at it. But here it is. Okay. That was easier than I thought it's gonna be. I will first test it before I put it back inside the headlight housing. As you probably saw, it works and it's quite bright. Okay, I got the light changed. Now the moment of truth. Should I put it down here? Let's take a look. Great success. We got all the lights working now. Now I'm going to button this up, and then we're gonna do a little opening of the garage, like, you know, because I just got a garage. Let's do this. That was cool, wasn't it? Awesome. Let's just bring this back to 8mm. So I did the change of the lights. There is a lot more new projects coming up for this car in this garage, so stay tuned. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, because that helps me, makes me nice and fuzzy inside. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's the right thing to do, you know, if you like the content. So look at the sky. I don't know if you can see it because it's a bit blown out, but it's nice and purple. So I'll leaving you for the day. Have a lovely evening. See you in the next one. Bye.